Okay, there's the rough cut door. Now he's gonna sand it. Hey guys, Capper here. You can see I'm by my dozer and the window's missing here. That's because I busted it the other day on a tree. But today we're gonna get a custom fit safety glass to go in this door of the dozer. I'm gonna walk you through the whole process and show you how it's done, because I never got to see it up close and personal. I'm good at breaking windows but not fixing them. But we got Missouri Mobile Glass here today. He's gonna show me the whole process on how to get this thing back up and running. So we got a new safety window in here. Let's go check it out. All right, I got the glass guy coming for the dozer, the window I broke out. Ah, dang it, just broke my door, son of a. I'm gonna pull it up here closer to the barn, and he's got to pull the glass out, cut it to shape, and then seal it back in there. So it'll be interesting to see that process. There she is. I've been missing it. It's been so wet lately. So wet. Here we are, June 16th already, and it feels like March, maybe April. Puddles everywhere, sopping, soaking wet. We're gonna get you fixed up today though, aren't we? We're gonna get you fixed up. So that's weird. How are windows so strong if they're just held in with a rubber seal?
So this piece right here, this lock strip, holds it in tight. It locks it. But if that lock strip's not in there, then it's not safe. And on these you can get by without having the you can get by without putting butyl on them.
Okay.
So it's like a soft seal butyl, but in like 80s model trucks, they put a butyl inside this gap here to keep it from exiting the vehicle if there's a collision or something.
Wow, nice.
Oh, tape on the other side, as you can see.
So he's got his setup. He's gonna cut a new window and then replace it. Pretty slick. Same thing, it'll be safety glass. You know, so they don't totally explode on you. Wow, nice. So this is true safety glass. He explained to me how they make it. It's got 2 layers, and then in the middle layer, if I heard him right, is like the safety part of it. I don't know if it's like Lexan plexiglass stuff or what it is, but I mean it's real similar to windshield glass. So what's your company? Missouri
Mobile Glass.
Missouri Mobile Glass. This is Kane from Missouri Mobile Glass.
Yep, cutting it on site today.
So what's that going on right now?
This, I'm just cleaning it off to make sure I have a good clean surface and there's not any debris that might dull out my glass cutter or anything.
All right.
And it'll keep the pattern on the glass better. And
But I mean, if you normally put it to use, you know, I don't want to dig into your business.
yeah, it just kind of depends. how it goes. I get the big piece just in case.
Yeah.
But I have to get this big of a piece because the height of the glass. And you don't, since it has this inside cut, you want to do it alongside the edge. So I could get a smaller glass and go diagonal, but I wouldn't be able to. You want this on the factory edge.
Oh, I see.
So if, say I cut it in half, I don't want to start this interior cut on the already cut edge. I want it to be started on the factory edge to reduce the chance of any kind of...
So because there's the dip in there, that's where you want the factory edge as opposed to a straight one?
Yeah, these cuts are all super easy cuts. And the exterior curves, I mean, this one's not like, it's still an easy cut. However, it just has a higher probability of cracking out or something going wrong.
Okay. I don't know if you can see the outline, but it's there, Sharpied. So are you like scoring it? Is that what you're doing?
That's what I'm about to do. This piece, this is oil, so the glass cutter is self-oiling, but I like to add oil to the cut beforehand. It makes a smoother cut.
Nice.
So that actually cracks the glass. So.
Wow, so the cutter cuts just like halfway through-ish?
Yeah, it just breaks the surface tension of, it doesn't even cut halfway through, it just cuts and breaks the surface tension of the glass.
Oh, wow. Sweet.
Yep.
That is cool. Yeah, I was expecting some kind of big power saw or something you're going to be cutting with.
No. Not on this guy. That'd be cool. Yeah, they don't have those. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, once we sand that up, it'll be a lot smoother. So, but that's basically it.
Nice.
Interior cut.
He was telling me that that's the tricky cut there.
Just connect this one to
Wow, I watched this ripple split all the way down. That was cool. All right, we are down to the final corners. Down to the corners. Okay, there's the rough cut door. Now he's gonna sand it, sand all the edges, get everything smoothened out, and we'll be in business. Be in business. I think the final step, sanding. And I'll wait out here now. He's been in there sanding for a while, so it's not just like this lickety split sand. He gave me a bunch of pointers. You know, I'm like, why don't you just snap the glass off? And it stresses the glass. That's why he's got to burn it and heat it. And probably the same thing with the sanding. You want to make sure you got a good fit in there, and safety reasons too. But I'm looking forward to buttoning this one up. One more quick sand.
Yep, that should do it.
Cool. Right, he's getting everything in order to go bring it out and get it installed.
Cleaning up my mess.
Good deal. What are you spraying?
Just plain water.
Just water?
Yeah, sometimes I'll use soapy water, but
Just to like lube it up, or?
yeah, just keep it. That's exactly what
There is a step right here for your foot.
Okay.
It's just a little muddy, but if you want me to hand it to you or whatever, I'll do that.
Go right in.
headphones, hang on. Nice. Almost there. Got on the ropes now, just about a done deal. Definitely big shout out to Missouri Mobile Glass, right?
Yes, sir. Yep, that's us.
Done deal. He was gonna wash it again. I'm like, you don't have to wash it, dude. I said it's a dozer, and I'll clean it if I'm gonna take some videos. But man, nice job. Never got to see how it works, and it confirmed one thing I already knew, that it's a job that I don't want to do. So special thanks, Kane at Missouri Mobile Glass. I really appreciate it.